I have been on a journey, okay? Ever since back when 10 years ago, I started this journey for making magic internet money. Maybe it's something that you'd want to do too. It started off with SMMA agency, social media marketing agency, branched off, did pretty well there. Then I triggered and I pivoted and went into crypto. Crypto was really good for me. I spent a lot of time in crypto, spent a lot of hours online, especially with you. But now that's pivoting again. I pivoted from one industry to another, and I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to document my journey into AI. Now, that's not to say that I don't take my skills and what I learned from crypto and social media marketing. I'm definitely going to need all of those, especially when I bring it to AI. But AI is interesting because it is taking the curve for technical ability, which something I am not known for. I don't do technical analysis. You all know that. I don't do any of this stuff. But I do have good ideas. At least I think I do. And so I want to be able to use AI, build my own app, and deploy it. I've been doing this for a little bit now, for a few months, and it's something that I was like, okay, maybe I could really learn this. So I curved a lot of the boring learning curve off, and it's something that I think you and I could definitely get into. I think it's something that you should get into, especially with me. So we're going to go ahead and do that. If you have any other questions, my name is Aaron, and I'm a cowboy just adventuring into the wild internet money landscape. Anyway, let's get into this. I'm going to share my screen here because we'll start there, and I'm going to be using a app called Lovable. Lovable, if you want to go and check out the themes down below, it's there. Let's see here. All right, what's up, Green Fingers? What's going on, Alex? What's going on? Had a good Christmas. Indeed, I had a good Christmas. I've always been on crypto, been watching the markets, and you guys saw I posted a couple things that I was trading on, but my interest just taking me somewhere else. And honestly, the market is so difficult right now in crypto. I'd rather just build something and see if I can make money that way. Of course, I'm going to invest in Bitcoin. Of course, I'm going to invest in maybe other coins. We'll see, but I want to build stuff. So my idea now is to create something. Maybe if you guys have any input, put that in here. What's going on, Half-Board Kings? Hope everyone, this is nice to see. Nice to see you. Hope everyone had a good Christmas. If you guys celebrate Christmas, definitely during a good break. Oh, by the way, my wife is pregnant again, so we're expecting a fourth. That third baby definitely threw me for a loop. Anyway, here's my idea. My idea is that I got a problem. My problem is that I have a house and I'm not good at maintaining the house. I've got water heaters. I just bought a new dishwasher that broke. I got 2 cars, maybe an AC thing. I don't know, plumbing stuff. I need to research and document all the things I need to maintain and take care of, and then remind me and how to do it, when to shop for things like bug, pest maintenance, outdoor maintenance, all that kind of stuff. I want to figure out, it's not fully formed in my brain. Again, I want to take this opportunity to go from complete ideation to implementation. I want to see how fast I could do it. I think I could do it within a week. Maybe I could do it within one sitting, depending on how long I sit here for with you guys. Anyway, that's my idea, to call it something that kind of keeps track of the maintenance. And let's see what we could do. Again, I have zero technical ability, zero ability to code. So I'm going to need to help you guys. Yeah, I did. I was in Fort Lauderdale. What's going on, GF? What's going on, guys? I'm not sure what the delay is. It's like riding a bike streaming. You know what I'm saying? Like, and to be honest, I wanted to stream a couple times, and I just got chickened out. I chickened out because I don't know, felt the pressure. But now I'm back here. You guys have been very kind into welcoming back. Anyway, let's get back into this. What I'm going to do here is, again, if you're just joining, I want to create an app from scratch. So I'm going to go into Grok. I'm going to say, help me write a prompt to create an app in Lovable. I want this app to help me keep track of my house and appliances and cars. Maintenance. I want it to give me a visually appealing countdown with cards to open up so that I can see a log of what I've done, or links to buy on Amazon. I'd like this to scale out to many people. I think I have also a church that is a different location that I need to keep up on the maintenance as well. I'm thinking like to remind me to change the cabin filter. This is what I just did on my Nissan Pathfinder. So I think there needs to be an onboarding on what assets I have, how many locations, a simple and beautiful way to toggle between all of them, a view to see everything. Okay, so that's that's what I got. Let's just see what they come up with. So, okay, I again don't have the technical ability to even spell. So while this is thinking, maybe this is my plan for this channel, I did change my name to Cowboys of Capital from Cowboys of Crypto because I still want to do crypto stuff. But yet I don't know how much of it is I'm going to be involved in on stream or on video. Maybe I'll make streams that I'm doing crypto stuff on. I don't like, if I'm just investing in Bitcoin, I don't do technical analysis. What can I be going online for every day? Like news, there's a whole bunch of other people who do really good news. I'm not going to go into the news cycles like that and be like some journalist. I don't want to really do that. It's not interesting to me. I don't think it's interesting to you guys. So yeah. Okay. So this just created this app called Maintenance Tracker. I don't want to call it Maintenance Tracker. Okay. Rewrite. What should we call it? Rewrite and call it Kingdom Keeper. There you go. Yeah. All right. So half chord GF. How are you guys, man? Alex, how are you guys? You guys good? How was the Christmas? I was in Fort Lauderdale, man. That would be so awesome to have seen you in Fort Lauderdale. That would be crazy. All right, I'm going to copy this, bring this into Lovable, and put that there, and just hit click. That's what I took Tails on. So what's that? DJ and coin flip? That's some crazy stuff. That's some degenerate stuff. I think that was illegal, honestly. Okay. All right. Can you guys hear the music? Did the music play? Let me play this music again. I want to hear that music. I don't hear it. All right. So Lovable is an app. Oh, I just get 5 clicks because I used it a lot today. Lovable is a app that you could use to just create these random things. If you use my link that I have, it's just like a referral link. That's all it is. 82 and warm. It was amazing. Now back in Cleveland, landed it, and it was 63 degrees. Yeah, it's seriously cold out here. Christmas. No, this is I don't know if I could show you guys, but this is Christmas in Florida is pretty. I don't know if you can show it. Pretty warm, actually. It's really warm. All right, create a beautiful maintenance tracking app. Oh, it needs to be mobile first too. It needs to be mobile first. Be designed for mobile first. Yeah. So how this works is like it has like this many like credits you'll see here. 389 left. And every time, I don't know how it figures out the credits. I don't really ask questions. I just kind of pay the thing, and then it allows me to come up with anything I want here. So that's pretty much it. How have the bags been for you guys? How's crypto been? I've actually taken a loan out against my Bitcoin and doubled down on it. I think next year is going to be really good. I think new Fed chair. Trump is pretty pro Bitcoin, pro crypto. So, and then we got who's that? The czar of my favorite person in the cabinet right now is David Sachs, the czar of AI and crypto. So that's where I'm hedging my bets. And then all my money into my 401ks just went straight into Nvidia. Just rush into Nvidia because that's where I believe a lot of that money is going into. I think with Nvidia, with AI, there's just going to be the next 3 years is going to be like a gold mine for AI. And I think you got Google, the biggest purses in the business or in the industry, Meta, Google, OpenAI, Amazon. These guys are rushing their bags into AI development, and Nvidia is the juggernaut, so they're going to just go with the juggernauts. It's rich gets richer when you buy equity. So I don't know. Seems right to me. I got a friend who wants to do pharmaceuticals because AI will pivot into pharmaceuticals. They feel like it's underpriced. I don't know. On a 3-year term, I think AI is still underpriced if you give it 3 years. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section or in the chat section. How long is this taking, man? This would have taken me 42 seconds. This is a little longer. Yeah, but I heard some bad things about how Trump is going to treat anyone that moved crypto to cold storage as a sale that can be taxed. No way. That's not happening now, though. So that's all right. If we do that, that's awful. To move anyone to move into cold storage, what would be considered cold storage? Separate hard drive or just like a MetaMask, like a virtual wallet? Is that cold storage? I don't consider that cold storage, but maybe that's considered cold storage. And if that's true, I can see why it's fair, but I don't like it. Like I don't like that. That's not good. Either way, hedges are still against Bitcoin. I also saw this. This is what I learned on this last year with Trump, is that both sides will always print money. Always. This is not a Democrat or Republican left or right thing. Printing money is an American thing. It is cold is like ledger. I thought so too. Okay, so even if it moves to ledger, that's fine. That's fine. Just keep if it's like a MetaMask and that. But how do they tell? How could they tell that's a ledger? I don't know. That'll be interesting. Soft blues and warm creams for trust and calm. So this is saying, I'll create a Kingdom Keeper, a beautiful maintenance tracking app with a warm, trustworthy design. This evokes aesthetic of premium productivity apps like Things 3, Notion, and Linear, clean, purposeful, with subtle depth. Soft blues for trust, calm, gold accents for stewardship, emphasis, circular progress rings for countdown timers. I like that. Gentle shadows and smooth animations. Clean typography with a refined serif for headings. Dashboard with location switcher, assets card with visual countdowns, task details, panel theory. Demo, preloaded, responsive design, Yes, half court. I haven't changed. I guess you haven't changed on that stance either. Everyone's printing money, and it's the evils of capitalism, I think. I'm not sure if that's capitalism, actually. That's more like Americanism. being a proud American. It's like the Fed, dude. The Fed, 1971, dude. This is both sides are printing money. It's bad. The BBB is a inflationatory. It's inflation pegged. It's all about inflation, dude. It's all about printing that money. He's wanted to keep the campaign promises. Is really what he wanted to do. No tax on tips, no tax on whatever. Those are just campaign promises. The tariffs, I think, were good. I didn't see any effect on mine, but my uncle is a jewelry salesman. He's a jeweler, and he saw the tariffs hit him massively. And he's a big Trump advocate, and he's like, this hurts. This is not good. He's saying how he now knows he can absorb the debt of our country into the crypto cloud. I'm not sure what that means. Absorb the debt of our country into the crypto cloud. That's like 30 trillion into how? How does the crypto? I'm not sure how that works. What are you talking about there? If you can't see me and half court talking, we're talking right there. There you go. You guys can see it. Talking about crypto. That's how I cut my teeth. So how I cut my teeth on streaming here. You scalping new coins on Sol? Nah, man. Those days are done. I'm trying to build a business now. Business is a strong word for it. I'm trying to build an app. I want to build an app. That's what I want to do. Yeah. I want to build an app. This takes a long time. I don't know. Bitcoin, ETH, Sol, not sure, but they reported that on the news. I'm not sure how he's going to use that though. What would he do? He would. He could do the Sailor method. He could take the Bitcoin that he has, the America has. I guess he could loan against it, but I don't know who would back that loan. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure how that would work. Something smarter than me. All right, here we go. Kingdom Keeper is now live with a beautiful, warm design. Dashboard with stat cards, upcoming tasks sorted by urgency, location switcher, my home, Grace Community Church, Sunlight, asset cards with circular progress, task detail panel, all kingdoms view, global search, settings page, demo data. These design, I use a warm cream background, soft blue primary. Okay, here we go. And we have our app. Let's see it on mobile. Okay, it looks good on mobile. Looks good. Okay, look at this. All kingdoms. It should say all locations, but okay, whatever. My home. Oh, this looks good. Guys, I just made this current kingdom. Okay, Grace. Okay, this has got to switch and then add a new kingdom. Okay, current kingdom. Current location. We just changed location. Clean condenser coils. Okay. All right, so now it's got to buy parts. Refrigerator coil brush. Okay. Oh, it sends it to Amazon. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Samsung refrigerator. Okay, so how do I know that this is attached to my refrigerator? Okay, it says it right there. Samsung refrigerator. Okay, this is good. So clean condenser coils. Overdue by a day. I want this thing. I want this circle thing. If you're trying to create an app, I have an idea, but it would be related to an industry specifically. Let's make it next time, half court. All right, I promise. I just got started on this. I want to create apps though. So what's your app idea? Professional tune-up. rotate tires. Okay, so if I go to Nissan Pathfinder, okay, I want to be able to see upcoming. All right, so let me take a screenshot. All right, let's go back into here, into Grok, put that in there. Okay, this looks good so far. Okay, that looks pretty good, honestly. Put the circle tracker on the dashboard card. Okay. Let's go mobile. Okay. HVAC's clean condenser coils. When opening up the card, type or put in why they should do it and the consequences for not keeping up on the maintenance. Okay. When marked complete, add a confetti pop-up. I want to, let's see here. How do I add assets? Okay. Create an option to add assets. Yeah, okay. What else could we have? Create an onboarding steps or to educate on the app and create suggested maintenance based on the assets that someone says they have. Put the onboarding as a button as an option to go through in settings. What else can we do here? Well, kingdoms. Change the name kingdom throughout the app and just use location. Kingdom overused is kind of cheesy. What else? Let's see. Do in 2 months, do in rotate tires. Okay. Create an option to edit and add maintenance. Create an option for notes to log history. Okay, we're good. Create an option to upload warranty information on things like my dishwasher, and other appliances. To use it in the auto body of collision. My app ID is related to AI used in the auto body and collision industry. Okay, that sounds good. AI is going to replace some industries. I guarantee it. That's for sure. All right. So now, I'm not trying to rename the app Location Keeper, but got it. So Grok is pretty good. I guess it's going to generate me a prompt that will have to put the prompt into Lovable. So I'm having AI kind of talk to each other, like AI to AI here. Hold on. What's it doing? It's like I guess I need to make it like make me a prompt for this, not actually do it. There we go. There we go. Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah. It needs to edit all that locations too. Okay, so we're going to copy all that. We're going to drop it into here. And we're going to take the first part out. There you go. Name their locations. Name and edit locations. Bang. Okay, there you go. See, look, there's no option to edit this location. I need you to show me how to make these apps and prompting. Brother, I'm showing you right now. I'm showing you right now. Half Court. Okay. Click the link in the description. Go to Lovable. You could start for free. If you make it, you and I get 10 free credits. Okay. So you could go on there and then you just prompt it. And when I prompt it, I'm literally going into Grok. You could go ChatGPT or whatever and type in what you want. Give me a prompt for Lovable and make this app for me. It's going to give you exactly what this is. So like, look, this is the front, this is the top. Help me write a prompt to create an app in Lovable. I want this app to blah, 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 right? Then it does this, create an app called Maintenance Tracker, and it just listed everything out. And then I just copied it and I pasted it right here, right on the side of this. Bang, now I got an app. Now I got an app. I pushed 2 apps already. Let me show you. This is my first app that I ever made. It's called cashcalculator.io. And it, you could use it to, hold on, this is the old version. That's an old version, cuz. See, these are all the apps that I made. Budget, Smart Cart, Headcount. Some are more developed than others, but I'm going to finish this one. Let's see. We're going to update that bad boy. Publish anyway. Just so I could show you guys. Discover how much home you can afford in under 10 seconds. No sign up, no personal information needed. We're gonna may need to go back and watch it when I'm not working. Oh yeah. We done for free or paid subscription? Paid for sure. Paid subscription. But the subscription is, I mean, relatively cheap. Let me see here. Let me show you how much I'm paying. I guess it's settings, plans. Okay, so I'm paying $184 a month I think you'd pay as little as $100 a month. I've got like the upgraded to Pro. Let's see. Invoices and payments. Can I show this? Yeah. So estimated payment is $187. Okay. So that's it. Anyway, this is still going. Let me not mess this up while it's going. Man, I'm working at the same time. Yeah, just rewatch. This is so easy. But I think the hard part is coming up with the ideas. So I'm only one person to have so many ideas. The great thing is I could have this, and I could have you guys, and we'll create an app together. All right, so my Nissan Pathfinder, how do I edit this asset? Last completed. That's awesome. Parts. Nissan oil filter. Dude, that's so sick. Example oil filter. So it needs to be able, okay, so I need to be able to edit my preferences. Okay, let's do that. Okay. Create a prompt that allows me to edit my preferences in maintenance to select certain for example, to select and save certain air filter for my car. It's okay to give a suggested link. That sounds good. I got ideas for these. And you put them on the Apple Play or Google Play stores? Yes, you can do both of that. Yep. I haven't done it yet. It's a learning curve. But at least it's a website. I know how to do a website. I've launched it as a separate website. And if you feel like if you could do it as a website, you could do it as an app. You know what I'm saying? And I think you could really put anything online as a Google app, at least Android, very least Android. So yeah, if you've got ideas for days, let's just build and see what we get. I mean, you guys can build right alongside with me. Just like put me on the corner and have it up there. Type in like your ideas, and we could just like share ideas. You know what I'm saying? Just kind of share ideas. And if you know anyone who's built an app, I want to get to know them anyway. Let's see what we got here. So here's my cash calculator. Okay, it's updated. This is my fully functioning app. It's a mortgage calculator app. Okay, you guys can use this. I'll put the link here. Okay. Discover exactly how much home you can afford in under 10 seconds. No sign up, no personal information needed. So if you watch, like this is like, I just prompted prompts all the way to the side, all the way down. And you could go in and type in like home affordability, okay? Type in like your annual income, $75,000 a year, monthly debt payments, $500, city, Miami, Florida. I'm a veteran or not veteran, show my affordability, and it uses AI to generate that. Like I put in no information about myself, no name, no address, none of that. So I could afford a maximum home price of $328, $300,000, monthly payment, and two different type of loans, right? Down payments, conventional or FHA. Here's a financial summary. Now, if I wanted a lender, like a report from a lender, then I just put in the information, email me my full report. But that's because of, then I could take that lead and send it to a broker. So that's how that works. Also, refinancer. calculator, put that in, or payoff planner. So this one's cool too. So you could like pay off. How fast can you pay this off? Current principal, interest rate. Let's say like my interest rate is like a 2.85 right now. It's sick. Years left on my loan, like 20 or something, 25. Yeah, so you could add the taxes, homeowner insurance, and yep, there you go. I could pay off in, hold on, extra monthly payments. If I pay off an extra $700 a month, I could pay this off down, take off 8 years. Pretty sick. And save on the interest. How to find your numbers. So yeah, this is a whole calculator. Can you guys use it and give me 5-star reviews so I could just actually use real real reviews? If you want to use it, it's no big deal. Okay, let's see what happened here. Okay. Try to fix what happened here. All right. Clean condenser coils. Why do this? Improves efficiency, reduces energy consumption, prevents overheating, extends appliance life. If neglected, higher energy bills, reduce cooling performance, shorter appliance lifespan, potential breakdowns. Interval every 6 months. Last completed June 29. And here's the parts. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna be able to do that. Okay. So this needs to link back to the refrigerator. So, and then I need to be able to open up the refrigerator. I need to be able to see my asset and the history of my assets. System. This is, okay. So, okay. So we're gonna go in here. Create a prompt that allows me to edit my preferences, maintenance, for example. It's okay to see what you're saying. Also, let me open up my assets and see a log history of what was done. Allow me to set my preferences there. Cowboys of coding. Yeah, barely coding. Cowboys of prompting. Allow me to set my preferences there. What else do I need? Store warranty information. What else? What should I do? What else needs to be done there? Past price. Like how much I paid for it. Bang. Okay. Add feature to edit maintenance preferences. Yeah. So we need this. We need that. Because it's kind of hard for me. So like I got my assets here on this location. So if I go to like my work, you know what I'm saying? Sound system. That's the sound system. This is system calibration is the task. So it needs to be separated by like kingdoms, tasks, which is the dashboard, and assets. It's really what needs to be done. Okay, got it. Boom. All right, so I think this is good. I'm gonna go into here, pop that bad boy in. Let's take out that first part. I don't like it. Okay, boom. So push notification. So upgrade, unlock unlimited locations. That's good. Advanced reminders, team sharing, and more. That's actually great. Those are future things. Profile, manage your account information. You can click into that. Restart onboard and go through setup wizard again. Okay, I can do that. Oh, dude, that's sick. The stars are rotating, dude. That looks sick. Welcome to Kingdom Keep, your faithful companion for maintaining everything God has entrusted to your care. I don't want to. I don't want to do that. Okay, I'll enhance the app with purchase prices, warranty info, cost tracking, update types, and demo data. Wait. Oh, okay. It's not something I'm. Okay, cool. Get started. Extend asset life. That's a good benefit. Save money. Ensure safety. Faithful stewardship. We can remove that. My home. Oh, rental properties. Great idea. Good grief. Okay, quick add my home. Okay. Add another location. Huh? Wait, can I edit this? Oh. Oh, I see. Let's say 477 Southwest Kashmir. That sounds good. An asset. Oh, this is sick. Okay, asset name. Tony Nissan Pathfinder. Yeah, 2017. Okay. Recommended maintenance task. Oil change, cabin air filter, rotate tires, brake inspection, replace engine air filter, replace wiper blades. Dude, that's so sick, dude. Okay. Next location. Okay, so like it would be equipment, like AC thing, AC unit 1. Clear condensate drain. Okay. Like AC unit 2. Yeah. And then like I don't know. Equipment? Is that building or equipment? What's the difference between building and equipment? I don't know. I don't even know, cuz. Okay, finish that up. Oh, the confetti, the confetti. Oh, this is nice. I built a nice app. This is a nice app. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This is great. This is great. Okay. Kingdom Keeper Pro. Ooh. Okay. My home. Okay, so I just did that and it's not adjusting. Got it. Okay. I added these things. French door, refrigerator, slice. Okay. Okay, this is good. So if I open up the Nissan Pathfinder, I should be able, this should pop up, not the first task that's opened up here. That's what this is. This should open up like the things that I need to do. Yeah, okay. Rotate tires, uneven wear, reduced traction, shorter tire lifespan, potential safety hazard blowout, like blowouts. Check tire pressure rotation, set to 35 psi, typically rotated front to back. Tread depth still look good. Okay. Okay. So I need to add the asset. Let me wrap up by updating the task detail panel. Updated task detail panel. Add asset button. Add asset button on the dashboard with task suggestion. Okay. I don't see the add asset button. I don't see the add asset button. Also going through the onboarding process again. Did not add new assets. Also add a manage asset tab in the menu. Okay, yeah. Bang. Let's see that, cuz. Let's see it. Get to work, AI slave. So I started off with like 390 credits, and I'm already down to 20, down 20 credit, 25 credits or something like that, whatever. So to give you an idea of how many credits you can crank through, I just created like a whole app. It's not fully working yet. And you should be able to see how many assets are in here, right? Like that should be something you should be able to see. You should be able to see, I think your assets down below are good. I like that onboarding process was slick. Not sure. Okay, Nissan. Oh, that's cool. So if I search, it's like all the tasks related to my asset, but it doesn't pull up the asset. It shows the location, change cabin air filter. Okay, that's good. I don't like this where it stops like the thing there. It stops like does you know what I'm saying? Like where'd it go? Okay, close that off. Ooh, I don't like that. It says kingdoms there. Small, it's minuscule, but it's important. All right, let's see here. I guess we're just waiting. We'll just wait for this thing to kind of pop up. I do like, well, I don't like that it says all kingdoms. Well, I guess, is this, I don't like how this layout is. We'll get to this soon. Let's go by the overdue. Overdue by 1 day. I'm not sure if this circle thing, I like how, is that helpful? I don't know if that's helpful or not. Can I push this back? Can I like ignore? I don't know. All right, here we go. It should say manage locations, manage assets. That's what it really should be. Okay. Manage assets. So my home or Grace. So it should be able to toggle between those two. And I should be able to edit. And we could add the asset here. All right, cool. Now I need to handle the custom event index and navigate the match of the assets. Okay, the dashboard is, okay, overdue total tasks. All right, added asset, manage assets. Okay. Okay. I cannot, let's see, okay, Maytag, dishwasher. I could put just dishwasher, Maytag, purchase price, $600. This is an appliance. Add asset. Clean washing machine. It's not a washing machine. Okay, so I gotta. This is a dishwasher. I don't need a vent. It's not. It's a washing machine. It's not a dishwasher. So we're going to add. We're not going to add this. We'll see if we could add. Okay, what happens here? Dishwasher. Okay. Okay. Let's take a screenshot. I cannot open up the card for the asset. I want to be able to edit the asset and log info, change things like name and details, add or remove tasks related to the asset for maintenance, change all locations in the menu to manage locations and allow me to see my locations quickly, then open into them like cards, make it grid style. Okay. Manage locations, manage assets, and maybe it should be like all tasks, add, which is like the dashboard. You know what I'm saying? Like, that is the dashboard. All tasks, manage tasks. Like manage, how do I want to say this? Maybe that's it for right now. Oh, there you go. Maybe that's it for right now. Wait. Add an option to edit each task. I'm just going to do it. Make a manage task option in the menu. Yeah. Let's do that. Allow me to edit these tasks there as well. I'm not sure what I'll use the dashboard for. Maybe there's a better way to look at the dashboard rather than looking at like this. maybe the dashboard would be better used in a different way. Like if I'm wanting to maintain everything, what would I do? I want to see like big blocks, little words. You know what I'm saying? Like little words, big blocks. That's what I want to see. Okay, we can do that. How am I looking online? How's that? Does that look? Is it clear? That's pretty clear. Yeah, that's real clear. All right. Let's see, how are we doing with this? Make asset cards clickable with edit modal. Rename manage locations with grid cards, like that. Add manage task menu and task editing. Super needed. Okay. Yeah, this is good. Okay, let's check out the settings. Push notifications, get notified when tasks are due. Email reminders. Dark mode switch themes. Okay, this is good. Yeah, this is real good. Now I need to add users. Okay, we got to go in here. Be like, okay. I want to make my app locked with. I want to make it so I can have users create a profile for my app. Let's see. What should I do here? Create a prompt for Lovable to create a user feature with proper privacy and security features. Allow them to share locations so that other people can see the location and all assets attached to it and update it, and it syncs between users. Let's see, like, but not allow, but for instance, I want to share my location for my work with 2 to 3 people, but not my personal home or my rental properties. I like to share my rental properties with another 2 different people, and then my personal home with my wife. There you go. There you go. What else? That's pretty good so far. Probably we'll have to include Google included in that. Yeah, create that prompt, baby. All right, so now we are, also I want to be able to invite people. How's my credits? Here we go. User profile and authentication. When user first signs up, support, email, password, Google sign in, guide them through a welcoming process, name their locations. They should be able to like request access to a location, right? Okay, cool. Manage tasks. Okay, it needs it. Every 12 months. Yeah, that's good. Okay, assets. Okay. That's not bad. Manage locations. Grace. Let's say sunlight. Okay, 3 assets. Oh, that tells the assets. That's great. Okay, let's do some cleanup. Edit pencil icon is overlapping name. I like that. Let's see, add location. That's great. Okay. So I can go into it. And then I can see system calibration. Wait a minute. Let's take a screenshot here. Still cannot edit task. Don't see a log in past tasks completed in system calibration task. Okay. Let's see. Manage tasks. I want to be able to like, if I rotate tires, for any task, I want to be able to have an option to include a contractor or mechanic with name, contact info, other important info. Set to 35 psi, typically over 4. Yeah, so that's good. So I could edit the task that pops up. Yeah. On edit tasks, I'd like an option to select updates by date, like the first of every month. Like that. What else would I like? On any task, I'd like to be able to click the name of the asset it's attached to and bring me to the asset with all the details and info. Card. So like brings me here. Add task. On the asset, I'd like the option to again include service providers and info and links to Amazon, links to things I might need to buy for it. Also add a notes section. Okay. Like, okay, so I had a dishwasher and I don't have any like clean washing machine. I want to add the task, name the task for dishwasher, clean filter every month. One every, how does that work? Edit the add task feature on assets need to be more detailed. It's a bit confusing. Need more fields, applicable fields. Okay. All right. That's a number of edits, which is all right. Sent you a voicemail on Discord explaining my app idea. Okay, cool. Awesome. I'll check it out. All right. So I think we got it. You know what I'm saying? This looks pretty good so far. HVAC system sanctuary. Okay, so this is a problem too. So I have units. You know, it'd be awesome if there was a map, bro. If I were to go like locations and I pull it up and there's like a map of the locations of where it's at, that'd be so hard. Like it would have to go like by story, like first floor, second floor. How would you draw that though? Good grief, that's tough. That's a version 3.0 feature. Okay. Samsung refrigerator. Okay, so I don't have a Samsung. Can buy parts. Oh yeah, dude. Okay, why isn't that working? Condenser coils. Dishwasher. Clean washing machine. So like, for instance, if I go manage assets, Maytag dishwasher. Could I edit this? Yeah, okay, save. I can't edit this task. I should be able to edit that task right there. Instead I go through here and at these tabs. No, see, that doesn't make sense. I got to be able to edit the task from here. Okay, so when I go and manage tasks, this is also, okay, so this is showing all tasks and not filtered. Needs to be able to sort through. And then it should show like the address there, probably. Not Sunlight, but like 477 Cashmere or whatever. Okay. Huh. I kind of like this though. I like that it's slick with the oh, look at this, assets. Okay. Tasks. I'm not sure if I like the manage tasks feature though. Assets, dashboards. You need locations. Down at the bottom. You need locations. Settings. That should be locations, and settings should be in here. Okay. Yeah. Should be locations, assets, tasks. That's what it should be at the bottom as a tab. And then dashboard. Go to Kashmir. Yeah. We're on the way. So, like for instance, church bus, right? Legal requirement for passenger transportation. So it should also be like not just like tire rotation, but like there's like a whole bunch of other things. Okay, so like for instance, if I go to manage location, I'm at Sunlight, and I'm like add an asset. Okay, hold on, let me manage my assets. At Sunlight, church bus. Let's delete this asset. Boop, delete. Okay. I'd actually like this to be super big. So like for instance, add asset. Bus name, bus one. Purchase price. I know because we just bought one, $70,000. Okay. Oil change, cabinet roof, replace engine, which what race? Yes. These should be able to change. I got to edit these tasks right there. I got to be able to edit those tasks right there. Huh. Nissan Pathfinder. Okay, first of all, this is not right. The manage assets is not show. It needs to show only, not all assets. It just needs to show the assets that need to be attached to it. Did I just give it a lot? I give it a lot, huh? I'm really using this AI thing, man. This thing is thinking hard. So yeah, so for my church, main sanctuary, clean and inspect microphones every 3 months, system calibration, whatever that means. We don't need a system calibration. Task removed, and it did not remove it. Okay, good. Okay, great. Okay. Kingdom Keeper. Definitely push notifications, profile, account information. Yeah. All right, I guess we're just waiting. So these upcoming tasks need to be like oil change. Keeps engine components lubricated, removes contaminants, and extends engine life. Fresh oil maintains optimal engine temperature and fuel efficiency. Engine wear and damage, overheating, reduced fuel economy, costly repairs, and potential engine failure. Use manufacturer recommended oil weight. Check owner's manual for. So it should show on here like, hey, best location for oil change, or if you do your own oil, you know what I'm saying? That would be sick. Okay, we're getting version 1 here. We're almost there. We're getting version 1. It's like some details. Lovable was good to like get the overview, but I don't think it was good to get these like detailed worked out. Maybe I included too many screenshots. I was trying to read it. What else could this thing use? I don't like the search feature. I kind of do, but I don't like it there. You know what I'm saying? There's too many options here. Locations, assets, tasks. That's it. Dashboard, locations, assets, tasks. Yeah, that's it. And then the users option is going to be huge too. What's it doing here? What's it doing? Are you still working? Work. Do your little nerdy stuff. Can I like put it like supercharge, like go faster? Probably takes forever to make. I don't know. Kingdom Steward. Okay, let's do this. We could set this. We could change the name to Kingdom Keeper. Okay. Credits used 20. Category. I guess this is a consumer app. Hide lovable badge. Yes. There you go. That sounds good. My home. I don't like how it's edited there. And if I was to do this location, I need to edit. Family home, place of the den. So I think it would have to be, if I would to. Okay, yeah. So this is pulling up the latest thing. So this has got to be fixed too. This has to be like, your assets need to pull up the asset, not the next task. Okay. Manage location. Okay. Oh. Fix that. Go ahead and fix that. Go ahead and fix that. Okay, I'll stop now. Currently, there's a builder error. App won't compile until that's fixed. What I found, no more changes made. Continue. Build unsuccessful. Oh. Close that. Fix it. Fix build. Go. It's like, just fix it. It takes forever. The age we live in where you can code an app without having any knowledge just by asking everything. It takes forever, green figures. All right. I'm a little impatient. I wish it was done instantly. I wish it was done instantaneous. It takes forever. The file is missing closing tags. I'll fix it now. Let's do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, all right. I'm kind of bratty with this thing. That should be fine though. But now I don't get to play around my. Oh, there we go. How do I clean the condenser coils? Like it's telling me how to do it. It should. Oh, there you go. Edit task. Okay, good. Service provider optional. Great. Oh, dude, it worked. Fix Mosing edit task button. Okay, good. Okay. If I edit task, in the edit task part, allow me to add several service providers. Allow me to add linked videos to how to do the task. Also allow me to put in links to items to buy to replace. Okay, that's one part. Okay. Okay. And then on the dashboard, when I click the asset, it takes me to the most recent, the upcoming task rather than opening up the asset card. In mobile view, the tabs at the bottom should be dashboard, locations, assets, tasks. Keep the settings in the hamburger menu. Okay, what else needed to happen? Manage asset. Oh yeah. In the manage assets tab, it shows all assets rather than just the ones in the selected location. Okay. Also for service provider, allow me to put link tasks. I don't know what that means. Maybe I should put in the menu service providers. Add providers. In the menu. Have it updated whenever a task or asset is linked to them and vice versa. Okay, that's pretty good. settings. In the settings, the edit profile drop down is not working. Fix it. Edit profile drop down. Edit profile / privacy. Drop down is not working. Dark mode is not working. Fix it. Let's see. In the Manage Locations tab, the card is not using all the space. Format it to be clean. Move the edit and delete buttons off the card and make them options when inside managing the asset. Okay. What else can I do? Okay. Manage tasks. Organize the manage tasks to the most, to the task upcoming. Also give me options for filters by location and asset. If anything is updated in asset or location or tasks, make sure they updated in the other locations as well. Okay, there's a lot of cleaning up here. Okay, here's another one that's annoying me. The left sidebar is not, looks like it gets cut off. Fix it. Make sure everything is clean and formatted well to look beautiful, especially in mobile view. Okay. Bang. Let's do that. Let's update that. And then the next will be the users, because then I'll have to be able to assign users or invite users. Which looks good. Nissan Pathfinder, my home. I'll tackle these improvements systematically. I just kind of threw it all there, you know, like it was like, nah. Okay. All right. I coded 3 of my own indicators using GPT. I know the grind of it not doing exactly what you want first time or second or third. Yeah. It's like, just do it the first time. And then I think about like, oh, this might have been a person, you know what I mean? They might not totally get what I want also. And I'm like typing in broken English and incorrect spelling, so I'm not embarrassed. But yeah, my I should add a ticketing system for this in case anyone uses it. And then yeah, I'll add a ticketing system, invite users. How would the payment structure go? Like, I guess it'd be this. Like, can you keep a pro? Unlock unlimited locations, advanced reminders, team sharing. I should probably put it as like $5 a month. I mean, I just want to get users. You know what I'm saying? Like the money doesn't matter right now. It's just the user base, team sharing, and more. Team sharing is huge. How would I do that? Okay, upgrade now. Huh. All right. Well, that's working. Um, might as well check the crypto charts. Coin market cap. Might as well check the crypto charts. Fear and greed index is at 30. Altcoin season, more Bitcoin than altcoin. RSI is right in the middle. Rough time right now. Bitcoin's at 87. Hmm. Would give me some degen stuff to get into. Pepe's at 45. Good grief. Pi is at 20 cents. Wow. Amazing. Pump Fund is up there, huh? 73. Punji Penguins. Pengu is up. Dang, man. Never heard a story before. Immutable. Yeah. There's some new people on the market. Telcoin is up here, huh? Still doing well. Top 100. Bonk. Guys, I made the call on Bonk. That's 100% sure. I made the call on Bonk. That was probably my best call. Shiba, Sui. That's great. Let's see what are we doing here? What are we doing here? Get to going. All right. I don't really know what. I'm out here working, and this thing is taking a break apparently. I should be able to replace air filter, HVAC system. Okay, so I just did this. Or your preferred product. Can I edit that preferred product? No, I need to be able to edit it. How-to video, replacement part, service provider. Okay, let's do this. Nissan 2017 cabin air filter. Pathfinder. I think I got this one. I don't know, whatever. Let's just pick one. Let me pick this one. Copy. Paste. Name. Cabin air filter. Service provider should have notes in it. Bang. Okay. Oh. Good. Okay, so what to do? Fix dark mode toggle. Okay, so it fixed the dark mode toggle. I like light mode though. Okay. Sidebar is not fixed. Okay. Providers. Okay. It should be team member 2. Okay, so if I do here, I add task. I need to be able to edit the task here. Oh. Allow me to edit the task in when I pull up my asset. All right, guys. Well, I think I got to get dinner started here. The likelihood for me to hop on later tonight is very high. I'm neck deep into this. So I'm gonna put a pause. Thank you guys for joining me. Everyone who's on here, appreciate it. I did not expect this many people on there, so super happy. Shout out to Green Fingers, the online forever friend, bro. I'm so glad to see you. Anyway, I'll hop on later tonight. I gotta go take care of the family. I gotta go cook some dinner. Anyway, thanks so much for just being part of this whole journey. I really appreciate it. Tell me you could hear that music, because I can. I played my own music. Hold on, let's play this music. Let me play this music. I still got to figure out the stream. Anyway, we'll return back to this in a little bit. I will see you guys later.